So welcome to our viewers and welcome to our guests on the show, Ms. Rajia Gilani and Mr. Ahmed Raja Yusufi are experts on the crude oil and bitumen markets from Infinity Galaxy from
Thank you,
Tehran.
sir.
So welcome, sir. Welcome, madam, to our show.
Thank you. Thank you.
sir.
So without further ado, we would like to straight away get on to the core topics of today, where we want to seek your expert insights and to the market developments as we see. So first question is that the crude prices continue to show weakness as OPEC cuts demand forecast. Where do you see it moving and in what direction?
Thank you, Mr. Farnell. Reuters reported that due to the fear of COVID increase in China, which is the biggest importer of crude oil and the fuel, the oil consumption and the fuel consumption is decreasing, and OPEC also predict the fall of the global demand. Therefore, you can see that the crude oil price and also fuel dropped slightly in the last 2 days, and also you see that the HSF 180 in Singapore decreased something at $8. Meantime, OPEC mentioned that due to the increase of the economic challenges, like as a high inflation, increase of interest rate, prediction of drop in the global growth of oil demand, it seems that they will reduce the production, and it will happen. But how much and when it might happen, it's not clear. And maybe we should wait to see when the OPEC meeting will be prepared, and also what's the decision. But I can say that in the prediction that your word is true, and OPEC will probably announce the reduction of supply.
So the supply reduction is to be expected, and China data continues to be little underwhelming. So these are the key challenges as we say. Thank you. Thank you so much. So now we come to the bitumen side and the fuel oil side, where we are saying that the fuel oil prices seem to be strong and bitumen prices also seem to be presently stable. So where do you see the bitumen prices in the near future?
Mr. Parnov, I think this question shall be answered in two parts. First, in an international point of view, I agree with you that the increase of crude oil price is getting in line with the support of bitumen price. But this support didn't lead to the increase of bitumen price. It just didn't allow the prices fall more. For example, we can say that for 6 consecutive weeks, Bahrain didn't change its prices, and Singapore and South Korea experienced an increase of only maximum around $10. In another point of view about Iran, the story is totally different. Factors like inflation, the internal economic situation, and release of cash flow of people from stock exchange and entering into bitumen market have all created a situation that for the second week, we observed the competition over 90% among the refineries. But whether this 90% competition is really a sign of demand in the market, it is not clear. And also, during 3 weeks, more than 120,000 metric ton of bulk bitumen was exported from Iran. But we can say whether by the observation of this competition, the export of bulk bitumen price to these levels can continue or not. It is not clear yet. Also, I have to say that for bulk bitumen price and packed bitumen price faced an increase of around 15% and 9% respectively during the last 2 weeks. So on the whole, I can say it is better to wait and observe the situation more carefully to see how will be the next trends.
Just one clarification on your point under the 120,000 tons of bitumen being exported. So is it more than the normal, or is it less than the normal in terms of, is it a growth or it's a decline?
This is more than the normal. You see,
Okay.
we had the same experience in the 2021 that in something around 40 days exported something around 180,000 metric ton from Bandar Abbas as a bulk bitumen. And right now it's similar like the last year's situation, that the huge demand of the bulk coming and also bulk exported. And right now the price is not feasible for the bulk. It seems that not feasible.
So we hope that the demand markets like India continue to show good signs and the markets move in the right direction.
We hope so.
Thank you so much for sharing your
Thank you.
insights, and we look forward
Thank
to having you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a good afternoon.
Have a good afternoon.